That's the only thing, like when it's time to buy something, you'll never find nobody readily available to help. It was kind of like when I used to work and it would be time to get off. Like during the whole day, like if you slacking, the boss will find you. But when it's time to get off, you can't find the boss to tell him like, yo, it's time for me to get off. So what I would do was I would just chill. So then when you come up to me, I'd be like, oh, okay, yeah, I'm off.
Niggas don't really believe in this shit no more. It's like everything wood. That shit gonna fly over these niggas' heads.
It's the wavy crocodile dishes. I'm the waviest one in the game, man. About to ride this wave.
YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Wavy. You already know this is my channel, Mr. at your beach. If you're new to the channel, you haven't hit that subscribe button yet, hit that subscribe button, like, comment, all the above. So I'm dumb hyped, so I'm very hyped, so I'm real hyped.
But calm down first.
I got the GoPro Hero 6. I started vlogging yesterday. It was raining. I really didn't feel like getting mad wet, pause. So I just said, forget it.
Everything starts from now.
We'll do something today. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take y'all downtown. I'm gonna hit a spot. I gotta get my watch fixed, and then I'm gonna go pick up them threes. You already know. And another thing that you already know is MTA issues. I tried to catch the train back there. They had a sign saying no uptown trains, but I'm not going uptown, so I'm like, cool. But then I see like that rope for the downtown. I'm like,
here we go again.
But anyway, man, we're about to go downtown. You already know, check out the sights. Hopefully the quality's better on this GoPro Hero 6. What do I like about it? I like that it's a little smaller, and I guess the quality's about to be good. So anyway, man, you already know. Yo, follow me out.
I'm a motherfucking North Philly gun tucking Dutch stuffing Alizé and Don Perignon guzzle AK-47 rifle in the cut. Got a lot of niggas shook up, sleep all day. 12 o'clock, I'm off the chain. I'm off the take that fucking chain off. Sticking niggas up with $1 million bill. I really just don't give a fuck. I took some syrup and some pills. Feel like I'm going nuts. Every day it's going down. My career's blowing up, yelling up. Both bitches in some Arizona.
About to get some souvenirs. Y'all like anything y'all see out here? Nah, just like. About to hit up Star Watch, the best watch fixer in NYC.
Oh, I doubt that.
My man. What's up, man?
Fornication at an all-time high. Trying to make it was a full-time job. I mean, damn near lottery, damn near robbery. Coming from the bottom, see grinding never bothered me. Cooking on the stove while my brain fried. Hustle by the same sign, serving them. Me and Arthur Ashe had the same job. I walk like, talk like, money, money, money. And you can smell it in my breath when I talk. Music, we run
Yeah, he used to have a spot somewhere else. I forgot, but it threw me off because when I needed to get like 2 watches fixed last year, I was standing like right in front of this joint. I was like, nah, this don't look like that spot, you know. But yeah, he here. Battery replacement, $8, you know, real cheap, real good. So, and I like his work. It's just the screw that I have, it's like an aftermarket screw. It's not the real one, so I can't really get pissed at that. Oh, and there's another thing. Anybody that has those one of those Gucci watches, that the band, that little band that holds it, whatever, that broke, I'm gonna ask them about getting one for, because they want like $80 at Gucci. I'm not paying for that. They don't even say Gucci on it. You crazy?
You right. I am crazy.
More about this GoPro. I'm trying to really see how the battery is because I only have 2 batteries right now. I did have 3 for my Hero 4. I had lost one and I was cool with 2. So I just want to see how the battery works. I know I'm probably not using all the settings that I should be using, but whatever. But anyway, after this, go get something to eat. Y'all just gonna come along.
Come along, come along. But I don't trust niggas, so make sure you come along. I handpicked you, you think sensibly. They friends with you, don't need to be friends with me. Come along, I'ma take you to some spots that you might.
Alright, so the battery's still good on this thing. I don't know how the sound is. I'll figure that out later. This is one time that I'm enjoying the 4 train. Well, gonna enjoy the 4 train.
Pause.
They're gonna run express all the way from 149th all the way to Burnside where I need to go. So cool. So now I'm about to pick up the cement 3s. Look like everybody gonna be able to pick these joints up. No issues, because when I checked the app late, they were there. I seen a lot of people hype, like, oh, I got them. You know what I'm saying? That was up. I'm glad that I get to take the 4 so I can show y'all some sights. I noticed this GoPro, it's a magnet. Whenever you pull it out, get ready to do something, here come people, they need to like come interfere, but it's all good. Follow me.
Put it on your pronto. I'm waterproof like a Colombian poncho. The head honcho, baby, I'm the boss. Don't come to show, strutting through the NY, frontin' all kind of hoes. Rolling rocky like dinosaur, Jurassic. Everything I hop on is a classic. No, we let them blast. Pick me up. I can get that order for you. I can get them quarters to you. I can make that quota.
Miss me with all that feet stepping shit. Ain't gotta be nowhere till 3 o'clock. I wasn't able to show y'all the views and that because the train was too packed and I was sitting down. But anyway, man, let me go pick these up right quick.
Good God Almighty, like back in the old days.
All right, so in and out of there, just like a robbery, you already know. My battery is I'm at 70%. I mean, I'm cool with what I've done. Yo, this Hero's straight. I just got to see how the quality is, but I'm guessing the quality gonna be good too. Like, I don't like when I turn on the camera and it might have been upside down and it looks like the screen is upside down. All right, so damn, I don't like that. Like the settings and stuff, because I've been hearing that people say that some of their videos are flipped over. About to hit the Rite Aid, let y'all see some of this graffiti. Fly right here, right? Well, a lot of these joints are done by King B. He pretty dope. I like the message too. Back what I was saying about how the screen is flipped, I don't know, but I'm gonna check when it's time for me to do post-production to see if the actual video is flipped, and it ain't nothing. I'm just gonna have to flip it back, but that's kind of stupid. I don't like that because it kind of wastes space for me, because once I see that it's flipped, I gotta press the button again because I just don't like it, you know? About to go up in. Matter of fact, I'm do my own feet. Yeah, do my own feet. I don't care how fresh you think you are or what, your teeth ain't. They go for females too.
I want to cover up the whole front.
Nah, it's no excuse. Brush them teeth. Keep that breath fresh. I ain't talking about just throwing some gum in your mouth. Parking struggles. So this is gonna be the end of this vid right here. Hope y'all enjoyed it. If y'all did, hit that like button. I should have said that at the beginning, but yeah, if y'all like vlogs like this, hit that like button. I'm pretty hyped with this GoPro. Like I said, I do want to check it out in post-production. My bad for looking around, because I'm hunting for a parking spot right now. I'm looking for a Monday and Thursday since there's no parking regulations on Monday. So if I find me a spot, I'm good. You know what I'm saying? Parking struggles, NYC. I think I like the battery. Let me see how much I got. 55. Yeah, I'm cool off the battery. The good thing about the GoPro Hero 6 is you can plug this joint, like you can plug it straight from the wall to the camera. You couldn't do that with the 4. You had to take the joint out, and you know, so that's pretty good. I'm hearing people, damn, see there's a spot right there. I'm hearing people say that the battery is like there's not that much battery time or something, but I always get 2. I suggest that you buy 2 batteries, because you want that extra one at least. By the time you see this vid, the video for the Jordan 3, the Black Cement 3s, that's gonna be up, so check that joint out. I'm gonna do a comparison between the 2008, 2018, 2011. This next sneaker rotation that you're gonna see, oh, it's killing the last one.
You think your shit is that bad, man?
Hell no, it ain't it.
Even though the last one, I guess it was, you know, but I'm always a critic of myself. Nothing was 80, you know, but the week after that, oh, yo, trust and believe, boy, report the bridge. Follow me on that Snap, follow me on that IG, follow me on that Twitter be, but that snaps.
I hate this freaking bike. This stupid bike.
It's your boy Wavy. I know this is my channel, Mr. Orchard Beach. Like I always like to say, see you when I see you. Out.